hopefully you can see me. Good morning. Happy 20th day of Vlogmas. I know I'm coming late and I've been so busy, but everything is going well. I went to Zara to return the outfits that I got because my children had complained that they didn't like the way it fit my stomach area, and I didn't help matters when I went to Zara. I tried it on again and they looked fine, but I just didn't want to have that conscious mindset at the back of my head that they didn't fit the way I wanted. Our friend right here is here. I'm not sure you can see him. He's down here. Just to say good morning. Yeah, he's down here being my Mary's little lamb. So, what is that today? So today I'm going to stop by the mall. Let me bring the camera back up. I'm going to stop by the mall to pick up a few gifts. I'll try to bring you along. I love the decorations the mall has. I haven't done any it's very early in the morning. The whole house is still sleeping, and because I haven't spoken to the camera in a while, I need to get this done. And I think it wouldn't be bad if we opened advent calendar in the morning to set this tone for the day. So I think for a change, let me open an advent calendar in the morning. So we're gonna do just that right now, and that way we might even end up having one of the teas today. So for this is for Paleta tea for day 20 of the advent calendar is right here. I've been opening this. When I do this myself, I've been opening really bad. So it's the Imperial Chai. Hopefully it is showing. It says it's a black tea with cardamom and pink pepper. That's not bad. And I guess keep saying maybe I should try a black tea. I am not a black tea fan, but today I will. And it says it's one of the best teas. Several the best of teas. So it's an Imperial Chai right there. So this will be a good one to try today. We had a black tea yesterday too, and of course I've seen my I just saw my printer flashing. Okay, so for L'Occitane, let's open for day 20. We were in a treat for an air mask yesterday, so let's see what L'Occitane asks for us today. And it's right here. Yeah, it wouldn't be bad if we open gifts in the morning. We'll see if we can have good gifts in the morning. Okay, hopefully this is some hand lotion. Oh, it is hand lotion. Because I'm almost out of the ones I've been using when Vlogmas started. And it's from L'Occitane too, so I'm excited that I still get to enjoy one before it ends. And can you believe it? We're almost at day 24. So this is a 20% shea butter. I'm going to put this in my bag immediately. So, I mean, I might try it. I haven't taken a shower yet. It's still early in the morning. My camera is not straight. And I need to show you a few items that have come in. Oh, I don't know why I kept on that. So this is it. It's very thick. Just as you can see, it is thick. And it is good. I love when the smell is good too. So L'Occitane might be taking over my Aesop. And I like the fact that it's creamy also. L'Occitane might be taking over my Aesop lotions. Which is not bad. I like having varieties. And what else is there to show you? I need to get batteries for my my fairy lights right there. They're out and it's battery operated, and because I never turn it off, now the battery is gone. course, that's me there. Okay, so, oh, I need to put this around. Turn this around, turn this around. The camera is facing, it needs to face me. So, what else is there to do? Oh, I'm going to need your help deciding. I already decided that I'm going to keep the coats, but I need to show you. And I think for the sales that have been going on, I looked at the gaps in my closet, although one of the coats that I got is not a gap. But I loved it, but I think I'm going to sell one of the coats, my old coat, and then keep one. I sold my Canada Goose because I started getting scared to wear it out because we know about the robberies and stuff about Canada Goose. And I'm like, I don't want all that stress. I mean, I drive when I wear it, but at the same time, I go to the mall, I go places. I don't want all that stress. So I ended up just selling it. And the money I got from it. Funny thing is, I sold it for more than I bought it 5 years ago. Fine, the price of Canada Goose has gone up, but it's so interesting that I ended up selling it for way more than I bought it. I think it was I think I sold it for $500 more than I bought it. It's weird because even now, my coat has doubled in price or tripled in price, and I got it when it was a sale was going on, so it felt like it was that, but I ended up selling. So beat the money I got a few different coats, and now I'm trying to sell one of my coats. Maybe I should just show you. So I have these two coats. This one is from Massimo Dutti. It's a nice cream coat. I think the camera's trying to look for my face. And I got this one from, this is a very big one. I got it on a longer coat. I got it from the Frankie shop. I could have just looked at it there. I mean, they're very similar, but they're not the same. They're very similar, they're not the same. One is longer. One has tortoise shell buttons and the other has white buttons. I'm trying to see if I should keep the Frankie shop one or not. If it's worth it. Because I did keep a Frankie shop. I have about 2 Frankie shop coats. Well, let me go before I spill too much. Okay, so I'm going to Nordstrom's later, and I need to pick up a brown jogger set from Uniqlo. What I'm wearing is actually from Uniqlo. I love their sweatshirts. They're a bit pricey, but there's a brown set that's on sale. And I don't mind wearing that. And I have a vision for the brown one that, I mean, I can still do the same vision with this, but this is way oversized, and the brown one's going to be my regular size. But what do I have to say? Why am I whispering? It's because everybody's still sleeping, so I'll pick you up later. Bye. I am flashing on him. Ouais, c'est vidéo.